Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2008 Cadillac Cts Headlight easy method. Open the hood and remove the battery cover and air intake if needed, then unbolt the headlight mount using a socket set. Carefully unplug the wiring harness and release any clips holding the assembly. Swap in the new headlight, secure bolts, reconnect the wiring, test the lights, and reinstall removed components before closing the hood. Start by loosening any obstructing components like the air intake or battery tray to access the headlight. Use a magnetic tray or small container to keep fasteners organized and prevent losing clips. Carefully lift the old assembly straight out once bolts are removed, minding any trapped wiring. If connectors look similar, use labels or photos to ensure correct reconnection. This prevents mistakes and speeds up the installation process. Position the new headlight assembly carefully into the mounting points and hand-tighten bolts to hold it in place. Reconnect the wiring harness and test all functions including low beam, high beam, and turn signals to confirm proper operation. Once confirmed, torque the mounting bolts snugly, reinstall the air intake or battery tray, and ensure covers are seated correctly. Finally, close the hood and take a short drive to verify alignment and stability.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.